Hey guys, it's Scott. Hope you're having a great day, and thanks to everyone for supporting the channel. Transitioning between string picking and chords is a very powerful and elegant component of many songs. Linger by the Cranberries is an excellent example of a melodic, single-string picking transitioning to a haunting chord progression. The picking is done over the first three strings of the D major chord, alternating between the G and the A notes in the bass, and then moves to a D, A, C, G chord progression. Dolores O'Riordan's vocals complement and enhance the instrumentals, making this a total experience. This song has always sounded really good to me, and I play variations on it nearly every day. Hope you like this song too. I'm Scott, and I'll see you again soon.